Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Once men cross the age of 50, something surprising starts to happen beneath the surface. The CDC points out that the average man loses about 1% of his muscle mass every year after that milestone. Stack those years together, and by 60, many guys have lost a big portion of their strength, along with slower metabolism, stiff posture, and shifts in hormone balance. But here's the real story. Most of that decline isn't caused by age itself. It comes from the way we live, too much sitting, shallow breath patterns, and muscles that haven't been asked to fire in years. Gentlemen, that cycle is absolutely reversible. You don't need a complicated workout routine or anything high-tech taped to your arm. What you need are 3 simple movements, done with intention, that wake up your body's natural strength system. These are movements I've taught to hundreds of men in their 50s, 60s, and 70s. And time after time, the outcome looks remarkably similar: firmer legs, a stronger spine, calmer energy, and a sense of being fully switched on again. Today, I'm taking you through the only 3 moves you'll ever need to feel strong and capable for decades to come. No equipment, no noise, just your breath, your body, and gravity doing the work with you. Before we dive in, I'd love to know, where are you tuning in from, and how young are you today? Drop your country and age in the comments. It's inspiring to see men from around the world rebuilding their strength together. Move 1. The ground root, horse stance. We're starting with a position I call the ground root, often known as the horse stance. It teaches your body how to stand with purpose, because powerful movement starts with powerful grounding. Here's how to set it up. Stand with your feet just a little wider than your shoulders. Turn your toes outward roughly 20 degrees. Press your feet firmly into the floor as if you're trying to sink into the earth. Bend your knees slightly. Keep your posture tall and your chest relaxed but open. Now draw a slow breath in through your nose. As you exhale, picture that breath traveling downward, through your back, into your legs, and into the floor. Feel the ground respond beneath you. Most men lose this lower body intelligence over time. Hours of sitting dull the glutes, lock up the hips, and weaken the muscles that support balance, circulation, and hormonal health. But when you hold this stance, something remarkable happens. Your thighs, hips, glutes, and pelvic muscles begin firing together again. Your nervous system recognizes stability. And when your body feels supported, everything operates more smoothly. Hold the position for about 45 seconds. A little trembling is normal. That's energy turning back on, not your strength running out. Rise slowly, shake out your legs, and notice the warm, steady pulse in your lower body. That's your foundation waking up. Move 2. The pelvic power lift, hip thrust. Now that your foundation is awake, let's activate the engine of your lower body, your hips and glutes. This second move is the pelvic power lift, sometimes known as the hip thrust. It's fantastic for re-engaging the muscles that influence strength, metabolism, circulation, and hormonal rhythm. Here's how to do it. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet grounded. Rest your arms beside you, palms down. Inhale deeply. As you exhale, push through your feet and slowly raise your hips off the floor. Lift 1 vertebra at a time until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. At the top, gently squeeze your glutes for a count of 2. Feel your core tighten, your hips open, and blood flow increase in the entire pelvic area. Slowly lower yourself down with control. Repeat 10 to 12 times, breathing naturally. Physiologically, this move lights up the glute muscles, your body's largest strength source. It also stimulates the pelvic floor and increases nitric oxide, supporting oxygen delivery and overall lower body vitality. But beyond the physical benefits, this movement teaches presence. It reminds you that real strength isn't clenched, it's controlled. Your power grows when your breath and movement work together instead of against each other. After your last rep, pause. Notice your heartbeat. Feel the warmth spreading across your hips and abdomen. That's your body reconnecting to its internal power center. Move 3. The grounded hold, deep squat. This final movement ties everything together, your breath, your balance, and your lower body strength. It's called the grounded hold, or simply, the deep squat. Take a slow breath in, and let it out. Feel how centered your body has become. These 3 movements already create a powerful routine, but a few simple habits can make them even more effective. 1. Breathe lower and deeper. Let your belly expand as you inhale. This engages your diaphragm and lowers stress, supporting better hormonal balance over time. 2. Do them early in the morning. Practicing within your first hour of waking aligns your body with natural daylight cues and helps regulate your daily rhythm. 3. End with a temperature reset. A splash of cool water on your face or a short step outdoors refreshes your nervous system. Follow it with gentle movement or a warm shower to keep circulation flowing. 4. Consistency over intensity. 10 mindful minutes every day does far more for your body than a long, high-strain workout once a week. What you practiced today wasn't just a workout, it was a conversation with your body. A signal that says, I'm paying attention. I'm showing up. The ground root, the pelvic power lift, and the grounded hold rebuild the very things modern life tends to drain: posture, circulation, balance, and quiet confidence. You don't need a gym. You don't need complex equipment. You just need awareness, rhythm, and a few minutes a day. Real strength isn't measured by the weight you lift, it's measured by how connected you are to your own foundation. Keep moving with purpose, keep breathing with intention, and keep claiming the strength that has always belonged to you. Thanks for joining me today. Stay steady, stay energized, and I'll see you in the next session.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.